What's up everybody, welcome back to the 710 Performance vlog. Today we're actually doing the welding for our rack that will roll in and out of the oven. 7 foot 8 inches long, and it's just under 4 feet wide. That way it'll fit right in there without having anything touch the sides. So right now we've got our pieces that are cut out for the bottom part of the rack. We've got all of the ends cleaned off. We've got the welder set up. We did some test welds to make sure that it's running and that everything's set where it should be with the settings. We might have to adjust them some, but I think everything is pretty much set. We were practicing on pieces that are as thick, material that is thick as the current stuff that we're welding with. We should be just fine with that. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into this.
We are using an Eastwood 135 MIG welder.
Yep. What's up everybody, welcome back to the vlog. It's the next morning. We did get the top frame and the bottom frame welded yesterday, and then I enjoyed the rest of my birthday. Now we're gonna finish welding this frame together, get the wheels welded on it. That way we can go ahead and start using it in the oven, and we can get on to powder coating projects instead of just welding and building projects. I'm gonna throw some time lapse on. Let's get it welded. What's up, everybody? So check this out.
Dun, dun, dun. Pull that out.
Now that, let's call that.
Woo!
There we go.
Yep.
All full of stuff. We can hang at least 4, maybe 6 wheels on here at a time, plus some other items. It really will depend on how big the wheels are.
It fits really snug too. You can still hear stuff scraping.
Yep, it fits in there pretty good though.
The only problem is all this.
Yeah, it's getting it in. You gotta make a little ramp for it to roll up.
You ever get those studs, concrete studs, and then just cut that out? Bam, look at that. Look how close that is. That's insane.
Perfect fit.
Yeah.
Like a glove. We'll probably take another one of these 2x4 things and turn it around and upside down so that it'll hold this a little bit straighter.
Kinda.
And that'll help it seal better too.
Like how we did this one. Otherwise it wasn't fitting.
It was sagging down.
It was
Plus,
sagging.
this will seal it because there's this underneath, so it'll help seal the tape.
The tadpole.
Or, yeah, the tadpole's there, so it'll help seal some of that. We'll probably go, when we put the metal across here, we'll seal that with the tadpole and then put the metal across it.
Yep.
I got a good old welding burn, set my arm on a hot weld, and I think that's about it. Like, that's done. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button down below. But we went ahead and built the rack. We got the extension for the oven. It's time to clean up the shop, arrange it so it's ready for powder coating, arrange it for the new powder coating system that's going to be arriving on Monday, and we do have a new booth coming up that we're going to be building here soon in the next couple of days. But we've got some powder coating to do, so we're going to get this shop cleaned up, and we'll hit you back tomorrow with another powder coating video. Peace.